Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. So you guys did a great job in the first 2 weeks, and I just came back from Las Vegas, and I feel so sorry for the inconvenience last week. So this week, if you have any questions, you can send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So this week is all about the web design. So last week you learned something about the web design tips and some. I have a chance to explore some examples of the good web design and bad web design, and you also have a chance to learn some website builders. So this week it's time for you to design your own website. And this week is very easy, so we only have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to finish your own website. So you have 1 week to finish your own website. If you are not familiar with the website builder, you can use the link back to the week 2 and to review some of the tutorial videos. Or if you can also send an email to me. I can help you with some technical issues. So those two links are about the requirements and the rubrics of this project. So if you are not very familiar with this, please read them before you start your web design. Next task is you need to submit or share your link to your website by using this link, so I can give you grades in the Canvas system. So one thing you need to remember is that you need to publish your website before you share it to me. So for example, if you are using the Wix, so you need to publish first. Then you can share the published link to me. I can have access to your website. So last task this week is optional. So we only have 2 weeks for the website design. So I do not have chance to share some advanced things for the web design. So if you have spare time, if you have the interest, you can use your own time to learn something advanced like HTML, CSS, some language in the web design, which are very important for the web design. So that's all for the week 3, and also that's all for the project 1. I'm looking forward to your website this week. I trust you will do a great job. So thank you so much. And if you have any question, please send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all for this week. Thank you so much. See you next week.